Welcome to the second half of part 3 in the Bitcoin for Beginners video series. Now first, I want to quickly say thank you to all the people who have been watching these videos since part 1, and then of course, the newcomers who may be joining us and watching this video for the first time today. Hello. I've received a lot of great feedback, questions, and comments. One comment I see often is people asking for Bitcoin. So I'm going to be giving away $60 worth of Bitcoin to 4 people. Anyone can join, and I'm looking forward to announcing the winners in this video's description and in part 4. I'll then be doing another contest in part 4 in case you missed this one. So be sure to subscribe and watch the rest of this video because I'm going to tell you how you can win. But first, here we go with the second half of part 3 in the Bitcoin for Beginners video series. We left off talking about mining pools in the first half. Now let's take a look at the market price of Bitcoin and how we can capitalize on that. On Thursday, November 28th, 2013, the price of one Bitcoin finally reached over $1,000 per coin. Now whether it will continue to rise or drop significantly tomorrow is uncertain, but I think there is still room for this price to grow. $2,000 per coin doesn't sound as crazy as it might have just a few months ago. Look, I'm not here to make predictions. I'm just trying to point out the opportunity we are all faced with today while realizing the risks of tomorrow. On the morning of the 28th, and you can see it continued to spike up. We went as high as 1,200 and then we dipped, had a spike, and it looks like we may be coming back for another return to that 1,200, 1,250 and beyond. Now, how do we capitalize on all this money that's being made with Bitcoin? How can we make some money and get a slice of the pie? How can we exchange our Bitcoin for real money? I'm going to show you a few ways we can take advantage of Bitcoin, including trading the currency, cloud mining, and buying stuff with Bitcoin. Now, we can mine Bitcoin with our computers like I've been showing you how to do in the previous parts, or we can trade the currency like a stock in the stock market. I'm going to refer to this as buying and selling or investing. So let's simplify this. If we can acquire Bitcoin at price X, let's just say $1,000, which is roughly today's market price, and then sell that Bitcoin if it reaches price Y, let's just say $1,100. So in this scenario, we would make $100 per coin, or lose $100 per coin if you reverse the numbers. I know the first thing you're thinking is, whoa, wait, I don't have $1,000 to risk losing gambling on Bitcoin. And I'd say you don't need $1,000. That's just the price of one Bitcoin today. You can purchase half a Bitcoin or 0.3, 0.2. For example, maybe you have $100 from your recent paycheck and you want to invest only $100 into Bitcoin. Then you would purchase only 0.1 Bitcoins. The point I'm trying to make here is that you can still make money with smaller investments in Bitcoin. So make sure to invest with what you're willing to lose, or at least lose 50% of. That leads us to the next question. How do I buy only $100 worth of Bitcoin? Well, if you already have Bitcoin and you just need to sell it or exchange it, I'll get to that in just a moment. But we first need to purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin so we can sell it later at a higher price and make a profit. And we can do that using Coinbase. Now, I've showed Coinbase before. Coinbase is one of the largest and most trusted sources for buying and selling, and for protecting our Bitcoin, let's just say, from hackers. I've already created an account with Coinbase and I'm already logged in. You can see that here. Now, if you already have Bitcoin and all you need to do is send it to your Coinbase account, you can click on account settings and then you can click on Bitcoin addresses and you can create a new Bitcoin address, send all of your coins to Coinbase. Now, you'll also need to connect a bank account, and you can do that by clicking on buy sell and clicking on limits and verifications. I've already done that, and so now we're going to click on buy sell and we can enter the amount that we want to buy, and we can just enter in 1. But if we enter in 1, that's $1,000. That's the price of a Bitcoin today. But what we want to do for this example is only buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So we'll enter in 0.1. That'll change these numbers down here. You can see that my payment method is the bank account that I've already linked. You can see that 0.1 today equals just over $100. If we needed to get it to $100 perfectly, we might have to go 0.098 possibly Uh, that's close, maybe 0.097, but we're just going to round as close as we can. So $101.50 is close enough, and all we need to do is enter that amount here. We'll click on Buy Bitcoin. That'll bring up this splash screen. So I'll just quickly click on Confirm, and that's all I need to do. We have now bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. I can now sell this $100 worth of Bitcoin if the price goes up and realize a profit. It's that simple. Now, for those of you who want to participate in my free Bitcoin giveaway contest, here's how to play. Step 1. Leave me your usual comments or questions or spam, but be sure to ask for your share link. When you ask me for a share link, I will then reply to your comment with the link that you'll need to use to share this video. If you do not use the link that I give you, you cannot win. Step 2. Take the link I give you from your comment and post it on your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, or wherever you want to share it. The top 4 people with the most followed link will receive $15 in Bitcoin. I will send you the coin in 2 weeks to any address that you specify when the contest is over. The contest will end December 17th, 2013. So this will be a lot of fun, and you'll be able to take what you've learned in my videos and apply it in real life with your own Bitcoin. Anyone can enter and anyone can win. If nobody asks for a share link in the comments section below, it's going to be extremely easy for the top 4 people to win. So make sure you comment. So like I said, I'm really looking forward to giving back to you guys. You guys are awesome. We're going to keep going with this, and I'll be announcing the winners in this video's description and in part 4 when we do another $60 Bitcoin giveaway contest, just in case you missed this one. So in part 4, I'm going to go over cloud mining in a little bit more detail, where we can do that. I'm also going to show you how we can do some online shopping with Bitcoin to buy things, especially, like I've been saying, gift cards, because people have been asking for that. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in part 4. Good luck.